Hey, and welcome to another episode of 9 Odd Sounds into a Guitar Pedal. This time we'll be looking at the Empress Effects Echosystem. Empress did send me this pedal to demo, and this video is presented in collaboration with Effektpedaler, a local effect pedal store here in Copenhagen. I'm a huge fan of delay pedals, and this one is quite special. It's got a lot of algorithms, a lot of modes. It's digital, stereo, it's even got a 5-track looper. It's got dual delays, which means that you can have 2 delay modes going on at the same time, and you can route them really flexibly into each other in parallel, one left, one right. It's got a lot of stuff going on, so let's dive right in, shall we? This first sound is a bowed cheese slicer. Yes, bowed cheese slicer. It's picked up via the piezo pickup on my little ukulele guitar kind of thing, and that gives it a kind of a violinish resonance. This is sent through the green tape mode on the Echosystem for sort of general tone shaping and flavoring, and then into a reverse delay, which is pitching the delays down on each pass. Here's a drumstick under the strings of a bass to make an extra fake bridge. It's also played with a drumstick. On top of that is the blue ambient mode, also called the drunk Ewok. Where the Thing 1 knob changes the delay pattern, and this sort of creates a sort of extra hits in the delay line, extending the sort of sustain and giving a bit of a granular flavor to the delay. Here my 4-track tape machine is playing tape loops into the Echosystem. I'm using the white mode on the delay plus reverb algorithm along with the stutter blue mode. It's kind of fantastic that you can sort of add more sounds using the delay reverb, but sort of also subtract sounds using a tremolo delay. I even did a more extreme version of this using the filter delay, which removes a lot of the frequencies from the sound, in combination with the lo-fi delay, which adds a lot of harmonics. If you're gonna dub, you gotta use a melodica. Here I am using the looper on the Echosystem, recording a little snippet of melody from the melodica into each track and then manipulating the result with the knobs afterwards. I really enjoy jamming like this, and this process could easily become a whole album. Now that I'm dubbing out anyway, I decided to throw a whole track from the OPZ into the Echosystem. The tape algorithm is flavoring the whole track. I really enjoy that sort of lo-fi grit. And this is going into the green mode on the reverse delay, which has pitch manipulation on Thing 1 and Thing 2 knobs. This thing is super fun to play, and you can really get far from the original track to a whole other place. Here are some short tones looped on the iOS Koala Sampler app. And this goes into the blue whiskey mode, also known as the knobs seesaw. Here I am having a go at looping a beat from the KO33 Knockout. The reversing delay really ties the room together. I use it almost like a sloshy metronome. Lots of messy stuff happens, but for my taste, it's magical. Here are some glitchy samples from the Chaos Pad Mini 2. The ecosystem is nearly one knob per function, so you can really quickly change things, even, changing the effect order. It's really got a lot of clever stuff going on. But in use, you don't notice any of that. You're just listening to the sound as it comes back to you. Here's an extra sound. A toy gun into the green mod delay mode. This is thrown into the green whiskey delay mode, which is called in the ecosystem manual Christopher Glitchins. This is the mode that's doing all the crazy pitching sounds. Thanks for watching, and if this is your kind of thing, then click subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Here's the last sound, number 9, filtered kalimba plucks, the sound of Zen. Enjoy.